Your AI writing has tells, 29 of them, and someone just open sourced a Claude Code skill that finds and rewrites every single one. 16,000 stars in 3 months. Built on Wikipedia's Science of AI Writing Guide. The same playbook editors use to flag bot generated articles. If you've ever pasted ChatGPT output into a doc, an email, or a LinkedIn post and wondered why it sounds slightly off, this video shows you why and how to fix it in one command. Let's go. The repo is called Humanizer, built by an engineer named Blader. 16,740 stars, 1500 Fox, MIT license, free forever. It's a Claude Code skill, meaning you install it once, type /humanizer, and Claude rewrites whatever text you paste to remove the AI fingerprints. There's also an open code version, same skill file, same patterns. The README opens with one quote that frames the entire problem. Quote, LLMs use statistical algorithms to guess what should come next. The result tends toward the most statistically likely result that applies to the widest variety of cases. End quote. That's why every AI writes the same way. The model is averaging across millions of essays, blog posts, and product pages. The output is the average, and the average has tails. Before we look at the patterns, here's why this matters now. Wikipedia maintains a guide called Science of AI Writing. It's run by something called Wiki Project AI Cleanup, a group of editors who flag bot-generated articles and revert them. They've cataloged thousands of examples. The patterns aren't subjective. They show up over and over, across every model, every prompt, every domain. M dashes everywhere. Significance inflation. Persuasive tropes. Generic conclusions. If your reader notices 3 of these in a row, they stop trusting your writing way, even if they can't explain why. Humanizer takes that catalog and turns it into a rewrite engine. You don't have to memorize the patterns. The skill knows them. You paste, it rewrites. 29 specific tells. We're going to walk through every category. Category 1, Content tells. 6 patterns. First, significance inflation. Phrases like marking a pivotal moment in the evolution of. That's not a sentence. That's a model trying to sound important. The fix is dates and facts. Was established in 1989 to collect regional statistics. Second, notability name dropping. Mentioning the New York Times, the BBC, the Financial Times in one sentence with no actual citation. Replace with a real source. Third, superficial eyeing analyses. Quote, symbolizing, reflecting, showcasing. End quote. 3. Eing verbs back to back. That's a tell. Cut them or expand into a real claim. Fourth, promotional language. Nestled within the breathtaking region. That's tourism brochure prose. State the fact. Fifth, vague attributions. Experts believe it plays a crucial role. Which experts? Cite or delete. Sixth, formulaic challenge framing. Despite challenges, continues to thrive. A formula. Replace with the actual specific challenge. Category 2. Language tells. 7 patterns. Pattern 7. AI vocabulary. Words the model loves. Actually. Additionally. Testament. Landscape. Showcasing. Read your draft, count those, you'll be horrified. Pattern 8. Copula avoidance. AI hates the verb to be. It writes, serves as he features, boasts. Just say is or has. Pattern 9. Negative parallelism. It's not just X, it's Y, or Tailing negations like no guessing, trying too hard, state the point. Pattern 10, rule of 3. Innovation, inspiration, and insights. 3 items, alliteration. Use the natural number, not 3. Pattern 11, synonym cycling. The protagonist, the main character, the central figure, the hero. Same person. 4 words. Repeat the word when it's clearest. Pattern 12, false ranges. From the Big Bang to dark matter. That covers everything and means nothing. List the actual topics. Pattern 13, passive voice and subjectless fragments. No configuration file needed. Name the actor who's not needing it. Needing. Category 3, style tells. 6 patterns. And this is where the AI sticks out the most. Pattern 14, EM overuse. The EM is the AI's signature mark. 3 EM dashes in one paragraph means a model wrote it. Use commas. Use periods. Pattern 15, boldface overuse. Bold abbreviations like OKR, KPI, BMC all in one line. Stop bolding. Let the words do the work. Pattern 16, inline header lists. Performance, performance improved. That's the model echoing its own header. Convert to prose. Pattern 17, title case headings. Strategic negotiations and partnerships. That's a press release. Use sentence case. Pattern 18, emojis. Rocket, light bulb, check mark stacked next to header text. Remove them. Pattern 19, curly quotes. The model loves smart quotes. Use straight quotes for code, curly only when prose formatting, and pattern 26, hyphenated word pairs. Cross functional, data driven, client facing. Drop the hyphens on common combos. Category 4, communication tells. 3 patterns. Pattern 20, chatbot artifacts. I hope this helps. Let me know if you'd like me to expand. That phrase has been pasted into more LinkedIn posts than I can count. Delete it. Pattern 21, cut off disclaimers. While details are limited in available sources. That's the model admitting it doesn't know and trying to hide it. Either find the source or remove the claim. Pattern 22, the sycophantic tone. Great question. You're absolutely right. If your output starts with great question, the rest will be padded too. Cut and respond directly. These 3 patterns alone are responsible for 90% of the weight. Did AI write this reaction in your reader? Category 5, filler and hedging. 3 patterns. Pattern 23, filler phrases. In order to, just say to, due to the fact that, just say because. The model adds filler because the training data has filler. Strip it out. Pattern 24, excessive hedging. Could potentially, possibly. That's 3 hedges stacked. Pick one or pick none. Pattern 25, generic conclusions. The future looks bright. Exciting times lie ahead. That's not a conclusion. That's a fortune cookie. Replace with a specific plan, a specific date, a specific number, plus the late additions. Pattern 27, persuasive authority tropes. At its core, what matters is pattern 28, signposting announcements. Let's dive in. Here's what you need to know. Start with the content. Pattern 29, fragmented headers. Header that's redundant with the first sentence. Let the heading do the work. Now here's the feature most people miss. Voice calibration. Default humanizer. Cleans the AI tells, but produces a generic clean voice. That's still not your voice. The trick is, paste a sample of your own writing first. 2 or 3 paragraphs of something you wrote. An email, a Slack message, a journal entry. The skill analyzes your sentence rhythm, your word choices, your quirks, and applies them to the rewrite. Suddenly, the output sounds like you, not like a cleaned up bot. The prompt looks like this quote slash humanizer. Here's a sample of my writing for voice matching. Paste your writing. Then, now humanize this text. Paste the AI text. End quote. Two pastes. One rewrite output sounds like you on a good day. This single trick is worth more than any prompt course you'll buy this year. Let me show you the before and after directly from the README. Before, the AI version. Quote, great question. Here is an essay on this topic. I hope this helps. AI assisted coding serves as an enduring testament to the transformative potential of large language models, marking a pivotal moment in the evolution of software development. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, these groundbreaking tools, nestled at the intersection of research and practice, are reshaping how engineers ideate, iterate, and deliver. End quote. Count the tells, sycophantic open, filler, significance inflation, M dashes, AI vocabulary, promotional tone, now the after. Quote, AI coding assistants can speed up the boring parts of the job. They're great at boilerplate, config files, the little glue code you don't want to write. The dangerous part is how confident the suggestions look. I've accepted code that compiled and passed lint, then discovered later it missed the point because I stopped paying attention. End quote. That's a human voice. Direct, specific, honest. Same idea, different writer. Installation. One command. Open your terminal and run. Make directory dash p tilde slash dot claude slash skills. Then git clone the humanizer repo into that directory. The skill is now installed in Claude Code. Restart Claude Code. Type slash humanizer. Paste your text. Done. For open code users, same thing, but the path is tilde slash dot config slash open code slash skills. The repo is 63 kilobytes total. One markdown file. That's the entire skill. No dependencies, no API keys, no subscriptions. 16,700 stars on a single markdown file. That's how good the prompt is. The maintainer is at version 2.5.1. 29 patterns. Voice calibration. Final audit pass. Active development. If you write anything online, emails, blog posts, LinkedIn documentation, product copy, install this today. Quick recap. 29 patterns across 5 categories. Content, language, style, communication, hedging, voice calibration to match your style. One command install. Free. 16,700 stars. Built on Wikipedia's Science of AI Writing Playbook. I distilled all 29 patterns into a one-page cheat sheet PDF. Every tell, the trigger phrases, and the human rewrite next to each one. Comment the word human below, and I'll send the full PDF straight to you. 90% of viewers haven't subscribed yet. If this saved you from sounding like a bot in your next email, please subscribe and support the channel. The next video on Claude skills is already coming. All 4 Claude guides are linked in the description. Don't miss it.